We're stuck in 1973 when it comes to divorce law, which means that divorce law is really ready for a complete overhaul. Successive governments have had different issues on, so it's often been forgotten, I'm afraid. The reality of the situation is that there are only 5 grounds available to divorce. 3 of those involve a couple living apart for a period of 2 years or more. There's a consensual element to the fact if you've lived apart for 2 years, parties can divorce without the agreement of the other. There are 2 fault-based grounds. There's been a lot in the media about this very recently, with the idea of still needing to raise issues of fault. The crazy thing about that is, of course, when you come to resolving the finances, and indeed for the majority of children cases, who did what with whom really is entirely irrelevant. It's not based on fault. So still to have to resort to fault-based issues within divorce just seems incredible to me in this day and age. Having said that, relying on either adultery or what is unfortunately termed unreasonable behaviour does mean that you can divorce another party without their consent. Sometimes you'll see on various soap operas, EastEnders notably, people running around the square waving the papers saying sign here, sign here. It's nonsense. You don't actually need a signature. You can proceed with a divorce even if the other party doesn't consent.